Okay, so in front of me I have a keyboard from interesting company. I always never know how to pronounce it. Either it's Redragon, whichever one. Someone decided to just kind of skip a letter. It's whatever the name. This is a 61 key keyboard, so basically 60%, and on video it might not look like much, just a box for a keyboard, but here's my hand for comparison on the box. I'm not a child. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm not sure what the actual target audience for this is, but it's a interesting product to say the least. So let's just cut into it. The 1 and 2. Now I do have actually a 61 key keyboard. I think 61. I think it's going to be like that. Right off the screen somewhere over there. I'm gonna bring that up as a comparison. Holy shit! My God! This is insane. This is the most bonkers shit I have seen so far when it comes onto computer. What the hell? What the? This is absolutely insane. So yeah, let me just kind of press the keyboard. Yeah, typing here. Yeah, I can almost do it. Now, as a comparison to this, actually, for some reason it doesn't have too much dampening, so you can hear a lot of spring noise. It does need a bit of springs to actually pump out keys that are, well, come on. I'm gonna pull that off. There we go. These actual capsules, these are like shot glass size keys. So let's plug it in. I am looking for, oh, there we go. There's the cable. This is also probably going to be kind of funny, plugging it in. So from the picture I know that this Type-C is somewhere right here. Ah, there we go. It's just a, tiny little cable plugged in here. Now let's plug it in here so it can, come on. Oh, of course, USB-A. The wrong way. Oh, it's lit up. Let's go. Awesome. So we do have some backlighting right here. So trying to see what we have right here. Anyway, there we go. The enter was a little bit off. Should have probably grabbed a hammer to put it back in place. In any case, as a little comparison, here's a same kind of layout keyboard, just a normal size. So this is about the normal size of the keyboard. Now it looks like it's a little bit of this off the keyboard right here, but it's not, as you can see based on my hand right here. Or if I grab a box, let me just move it a little bit to the side. So here is a phone box just laying completely flush. It's typical box, as you can see. So yeah, you can see it's not even, there we go. So this is basically right now edge to edge. Yeah, Not exactly sure why would anyone want a keyboard like that outside of just a meme. But hey, it exists, and if you want one, there it is. I actually never told you the name of it, so this is the Alien super-sized mechanical keyboard. It's a very apt name for the product. Now let's actually get the box, because we do have some information right here at the back. So we have 61 key design, RGB backlighting, durable plug and play, like every keyboard is, full anti-ghost keys, good for display. I think they mean like a showpiece. So yeah, the keyboard doesn't have much. The anti-ghosting keys and stuff like that, I don't think that's going to be your biggest concern, considering the travel distance is like falling off the cliff for a keyboard right here. So so yeah, just to unplug it and kind of show you. Whoa, Jesus. This is a travel distance of like an entire keyboard, basically. So yeah, the keyboard does have a bit of a flex to it. You can kind of hear it. You can hear it squeak and all. So yeah, it's a product. Let's call it that. Now, anyway, with that being shown, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.